guys, welcome back to my channel, Run with Joy. Today I'm going, before I say that, whatever, because it's gonna be a surprise. You guys are saying to make more dog videos and more slime videos, and I wanted to know what type of dog videos and what type of slime videos should I make. And I tried to make slime, but I always fail when I was filming. So I decided to show my slime that I made. And yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, Rainbow Joy, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And if you guys are not new to my channel, go ahead and poke the like button down below. And why is my channel name called Rainbow Joy? Because my name is Joy, actually. So I went to, put my name to Joy because I thought it would make sense. Yeah. And I'll tell you guys when I have a subscriber. And maybe I'm gonna do another video with my whole family, but I have no idea. And go ahead and tell me what type of video is gonna make in my channel. Yeah. So I was gonna tell you, I wanted to show my slime. It has a big lid, and my slime has hair in it, a little hair, but it's very pretty. And you guys know the name of it. I made it up, but if you guys know, tell me down below. I'm gonna give you guys a hint. Why did I put white beads if I could just put black beads? And why is the color of the slime blue? Go ahead and tell down below. Please do not cheat after, I say it. And if you guys know, go tell me down below. And I'll give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. You guys ready? It's called Blueberry Mint. Blueberry, and it's a mint. So the white things are supposed to be mint. They're supposed to be mint. Oh, and they do come off. They're beads, actually, so as you can see, they come off. You can just glue them. It looks like the slime is sticky, but it actually isn't. It's not sticky. See? Okay, that was awkward. Is my dog coming? I have no idea. I just dropped the bead. Found it. So I feel like I do that in every video. Oh, man. It's not too sticky, actually. It's very stretchy. And if you guys like the slime, go ahead and tell me down below. And yeah. Do you think you like blue or something like that? I really like the slime. And maybe in the future, I'm gonna make a slime smoothie. And I'm gonna add this to the slime. Seriously, they just came out, and there's one coming out as well. I glued it. If you guys, there's some of my subscribers that are my friends in school. If you guys want me to bring it to school, go ahead and tell me down below. Because this is perfect slime. Okay, that's awkward. They always fall. Falling. They always fall. And I'm right here. I'm going to put my hand here so that I'm still here. Oh! Is that okay? Okay, this, if you guys don't know, what am I using to film my videos? I'm not using a camera. I'm using an iPad to film. So it's very hard. There we go. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys liked it, bye. I did not use paint for this one. I used food coloring. I'm gonna show you guys the food coloring that I use. Maybe I just put like a few dots, probably like 8 or 4 dots. I think that's how I got this color, by this. And very cool. And if you guys like this video, and go ahead and click the like button down below. And if you guys liked it, bye. Oh, here's that book. It says in the opposite way. It's supposed to be like other way. But if you guys can read the opposite, go ahead and comment down below. And give me more ideas for the videos, what I can make. Bye!